Welcome to Car Showcase. Here introducing a 2024 Toyota Hilux Revo BEV with its all features. Before starting, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Let's start. The 2024 Toyota Hilux Revo BEV is an electric version of the popular Hilux pickup truck. It features a sleek and modern design, with a bold front grille, LED headlights, and a sculpted body. The Revo BEV has a spacious interior with premium materials, including leather seats and a touchscreen infotainment system. The electric powertrain provides instant torque and smooth acceleration, making it ideal for both on and off-road driving. The Revo BEV has a range of over 300 miles on a single charge, making it suitable for long trips and daily driving. It also features advanced safety features like lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control. Other key features include electric motor with 201 horsepower and 221 pound-feet of torque, single-speed automatic transmission, four-wheel drive capability, independent front suspension and leaf spring rear suspension, 18-inch alloy wheels, LED taillights and daytime running lights, power windows and door locks, dual-zone automatic climate control, 8-inch touchscreen display, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, 6 speakers and a subwoofer, Toyota Safety Sense 2.0 suite, 360-degree camera system, panoramic moonroof, heated and ventilated front seats, 60/40 split folding rear seats. The 2024 Toyota Hilux Revo BEV offers a unique combination of electric power, off-road capability, and premium features, making it an attractive option for those seeking a versatile and eco-friendly pickup truck. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and we'll meet soon in next video.